So,
Alright.
let's make some smoothies.
Welcome back, everyone. This is Jeremy and Casey with J&K Fun Tips. So today we're gonna be doing a blend. We're gonna be doing a smoothie, not a blender, a smoothie.
I'm gonna do a blender.
I don't know how I can do a blender, but yeah, I think you can make like a dance out of that, maybe. All right. So we're gonna do a smoothie, and then we'll show you how to make popsicles out of these leftovers as well.
This is a cherry berry blend. I don't realize there's
Oh
cherries in there.
yeah,
There's
cherries, strawberries, blueberries.
Big old.
Yeah. The only thing it doesn't have is raspberries. Most of your berries are in there.
I like to do the frozen. Chef Nala. Oh, you can see the cherries.
Yeah. So you can do this with frozen fruit or with non-frozen fruit.
We're using vanilla yogurt. You can use whatever you feel like using.
Yep. Alright. This has got pineapple, strawberries, peaches, and mango. Kind of pour into your liking, however much you want. Oh, it's Nala's treat. Nala, you get a treat. Alright.
Yeah. Some yogurt after I mix it up a little bit.
Yeah. Want me to cut up one of these bananas?
Oh yeah, you could throw in banana too.
Yep.
It's not too green.
I like a little more banana flavor in mine, so we're gonna do it with it like this. And wash your hands. We already did that, so just break them off into little chunks. Throw them in there. So I do have a question though. So what do you think is the proper way to peel a banana?
What do you mean? There's no proper way.
Do you cut it here and peel it from the top like I did? Or do you peel it from the bottom like that? Because I've heard both ways.
This is weird yogurt.
Yeah, it's low fat or something.
What? What
No.
What?
She's like poking at it with her paw. She's like, I don't know what this is.
She's eating it.
Yeah, she's like, it's frozen. I don't know what this is.
Nala, you're cute, Mama. Nala is eating pineapple.
Oh, you are cute, Nala. You know that? You're very cute.
Yeah, a little more maybe? I don't know.
Yeah, she good.
I guess.
Yep.
Add some milk.
Yep. The milk helps it get a little more runny because the frozen fruit is going to be a little thicker. Or it's going to be a lot thicker, actually.
Like that for now.
And then the milk kind of helps it get a little more runny, so it's more like a shake or a smoothie rather than like a really thick shake or malt. You got it there, sweetie? Alright, so then do puree, or ours, you have a frozen drink.
Sorry, Chevy.
Just push that button and it does it.
And it goes down. This thing is cool.
Yes, the Ninja IQ something. Alright.
Turn the hot dish. Yeah.
And that's our little dinner project we did. So now, open it up, make sure the blender is off, power is off, because the last thing you want is a mess.
I don't know if it will turn on if you have the lid off. Don't do it.
It will, trust me, it will. There's no electronic sensors up here. Actually, there might be.
I don't know. Don't. So now we can eat it. Don't do it.
Nope, there is. Yeah, there's a sensor right there. I don't know how that
That's neat.
activates, but yeah. Yeah, apparently there's a sensor that won't let it turn on. But, so, see it's a little bit thicker, which means you want to add a little more milk to it.
Hold on.
Right now it's not moving at all.
Okay, put more milk in there then, babe. Hey, I like mine squishy.
I can tell.
Put more milk in there.
I don't want it.
Oh, that's good squishy.
That's good.
You should do it.
Alright, make sure your lid's on all the way. Turn it back on. Enough. Alright. Let's open it back up. And see what we got here now.
I gotta put these
That's
in
better. Alright. So see, now it actually kind of pours out of the cylinder. It's still thick, which is nice, what you want. But it's not too thick like last time, or I can tip it upside down and it stays in the container.
That's
So
all
now,
I get.
just kind of tap it on the side when you're pouring it out. It's not coming out fast enough, just give it a little tap. Comes out nice and quick then.
Taparoo.
Alright. And that is it. Now you drink it. Or eat it with a spoon. It's weird. Just weird. I love you. Love you.
Smoothie.
Love you.
Love you. As much as I love smoothies. That's a lot.
That is a lot. Alright. So that is it for that. Now we can show you how to make popsicles out of this. Love you, sweetie. Alright.